Good morning. Welcome back to part 2 of Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Okay. It must be you all must be wondering what exactly had happened. Whether Bipin Chaudhary has actually had lapse of memory or what. Let's find out what has happened. Before we start with the summary of the chapter, some of the words are given here. You should write them in the notebook. Total 15 are given, right? Some of the meanings are also given in Hindi so that you will understand it in a better way. So you should write new words and meanings in your notebook. Okay, so this is it. Intruder, someone who come without invitation, permission or welcome. So in this case, the intruder for Bipin Babu is Parimal Ghosh. So when Parimal Ghosh is intruder for Bipin Babu, okay, inconceivable is unbelievable, head reel, losing his mind, intimate, all these meanings are given in textbook itself. Page number I have mentioned here. Deliberate, जानबूझकर करना, done on purpose. Linger, to remain in a place or situation. Going nuts, meaning is already given in the textbook. Ruthless, cruel, pitiless, निर्दय, क्रूर. Sarcasm, taunt मारना, व्यंग करना, चिढ़ाना किसी को. Snuggle, lie comfortably in bed or in chair or whatever. Thriller can be a story, it can be a book or play which is very suspenseful and sensational. Embarrassment, शर्मिंदगी महसूस करना, to feel hesitant, uncomfortable. Sleuthing, page number 65, it is given, it is investigating. And lost his appetite, भूख न लगना, भूख मर जाना टेंशन की वजह से. So lost his appetite. So this is about word meanings. Now let's begin with summary part. Alright, so let's start. So this is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory part 2 summary. It is given that I have written it for you. You can go through it, but in a briefly I would like to tell you the summary. In part 2, as you know that part 1 he left the Kalicharan bookstore after buying the books, right? And Parimal Ghosh was surprised that this fellow did not even recognize him. Bipin Babu did not recognize him, so he was staring at him. And further, after Bipin Babu had his own car and a car driver, so he sat in a car and reached to the theatre. And from there, when it was parked there outside the theatre, he asked his driver Sitaram to take him to along the river side of Ganges, that is Ganga river, so that he would relax himself for some time. And then Sitaram took him there. While sitting in the car, he was thinking over Parimal Ghosh and the incident that had happened. He was tried very hard to remember the Ranchi trip. Had he really gone to Ranchi in October 1958, or this man? Every time this fellow calls him the man, right? Because he had not recognized him. He had seen this fellow for the first time. So he says that the man to Parimal Ghosh, he also calls him the intruder. And then he thinks whether this man must be playing a prank on him or making fun of him, or deliberately he is telling a lie, जानबूझ के झूठ बोल रहा है. So he thought that he should not have paid attention to what Parimal Ghosh has said. But then he had another thought. He thinks that but Parimal Ghosh, that is the man, knows a lot about his own personal life. He knows that Parimal Ghosh knows that Bipin Babu had no children. His wife had died 10 years back. His only brother died of insanity. So how this man knows so much about his personal life. So how he could say a lie? He must be saying the truth. But then how to find out whether, how to confirm whether Parimal Ghosh, whatever he said, was right or not? So then he remembered that according to his memory, Bipin Babu thinks that in October 1958 he was in Kanpur with his friend Haridas, right? So he thought of giving a call to Haridas or to write to him, but then he realized that some week ago his friend went to Japan with his wife, and Bipin Babu does not have his address, so how to write to him? Then he went home, and then he had some coffee sitting in the air conditioned room. Then his tension was lessened, it was decreased, he was feeling better. Then he had dinner also. After having dinner, he started reading a thriller is a suspense story. He started reading that, and he forgot everything about what had happened in the day with Parimal Ghosh. Next day, when he went to the office, in the office again he started having all kinds of tension. He again started thinking about what Parimal Ghosh had told him. So then he thought that Parimal Ghosh has told him that Dinesh Mukherjee was with him in Ranchi. So he thought of calling up Dinesh Mukherjee and find out the truth. But then he realized that if he calls Dinesh Mukherjee will definitely make fun of him and will laugh at him and will call him mad. So he hesitated to call. But then he again thought that, then he stopped thinking. But then whole day he was thinking about it and he got restless. उसको बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी कि सच में मैं भूल गया हूँ and all that. So finally he wanted to end this issue, end this problem. So he decided to call Dinesh Bhatt instead of going to meet Dinesh Mukherjee. So he called up Dinesh Mukherjee and asked Dinesh Mukherjee that where was he for in 1958? Had he been out of station? Had he gone out of station in 1958? So Dinesh Mukherjee said that yes, he said that he doesn't remember, but then he will check his diary and then he will tell him. So he removes his diary, and on phone he referred to his diary and told Bipin Babu that in 1958 he went out of station 2 times. Twice he was out of station. Once he went to Krishnanagar for attending his nephew's wedding, and in October 1958 he had Ranchi trip, and he said that even you were there with me, that is, even Bipin Babu was there with Dinesh Mukherjee in Ranchi trip. So why he was asking all these things when even he himself was there? So then this Bipin Babu said, nothing, I just asked like that, and he kept the phone, right? And he slammed the phone, and he got more tensed. What is all about it? How he could have forgotten all these things? Even Dinesh Mukherjee has told him that he went to Ranchi trip in October 1958, and why he is not able to remember all these facts? How could he forget this? And he was so much tensed and restless that he did not feel like eating his lunch. He brought sandwiches and tiffin, but he did not have those sandwiches also, and he lost his appetite. उसको भूख ही नहीं, उसकी भूख मर गई टेंशन की वजह से. This is all about part 2, and please read the chapter also, and I will share question answers of part 2 with you. I'll send it in the group. Okay, thank you so much.